Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a WordPress website from scratch, beginner's guide. So before I begin guys, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to build an online business or your brand. So please consider subscribing. I make videos every day, so if you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. So guys, for you I'm gonna make it really simple. Okay, to create a website, it's very simple. You need few things, and I'm a very simple person. I'm very straightforward. I'm gonna cut you short. So you need to have a domain, you need to have a hosting, and you need to install WordPress. So WordPress is basically a free content management system where you could create a free website, so don't get more complicated. And you need to install a free theme. Basically, theme is like how your website looks from outside. It's like makeup. Okay, so that's it, and you are done. So very simple. I'm using Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. Don't ask me more questions because they give you free domain, free SSL, one-click installation. The website speed is really good. Okay, and just for you guys to make it more simpler, I have a 70% discount. The link is down below. So imagine when you buy Bluehost, you don't have to do any of these things. Everything is done. You just have to click one button and that's it. So just get started, because right now we are going to 2020. Okay, so life is much more easier. So just get started. Click select. Once you click select, put in your domain name. So I've already purchased it from here, but you can put in your domain name over here. Click next, and then put in your credit card, put in your information. If you're feeling lazy, just sign in with Google, and I would select this and this, and I would select 12 months. They have a 30-day money back guarantee. If you have any questions, if you feel that this is really bad hosting, you could go back and return the money. But trust me guys, trust me on this, the best hosting. Take my words for it. Okay, fill in your credit card information, submit. Once you do that, all you have to do is come on Bluehost again, click on login. So I think so it's already logged in for me. So yeah, you have to put in your username and password, which you would get on your email ID. Once that's done, creating a website is really easy. So this is your dashboard for Bluehost. All you have to do is click on my sites. As you could see, I have a lot of websites. Click on my sites, create site name, put your site name. So that's going to be your site name, which could be anything, and your tagline. So for me, it's learn WordPress website from scratch. You can put your tagline over here, or your business tagline. Click next, select your domain from here and just click next. So I'm gonna put this one because I already have yavarkhan.com. So for demo purposes, test one. Click next, and guys, within 3 seconds you'll be able to install WordPress. So 1, 2, and here you go, 3. Yeah, so that's it guys, congratulations. This is how you install WordPress. I don't want to make it more complicated. This is it guys, you have installed WordPress. Now we are going to install a theme. So now what I did was just click over here, log into WordPress. So now you're logging to WordPress. So here you go guys. So now you're into the WordPress dashboard. So when you click here, so you see your site name is over here, visit site. This is your website. Okay, congratulations guys, you have your website in. Now we are just going to install a theme. The themes, so theme is basically makeup for your website. So we are going to install a new theme. So click on appearance, click on themes. Once you're on themes, just click on add new theme. Okay, and just type Astra. Okay, and just click here and install. Once you install, click on activate. Okay, once it's activated, that means you have put a theme on your website. Once you refresh, this is your website right now, and that's it. And then let's say you want to make it much more beautiful. All you have to do is click on Astra options. So it's a free theme. There is a pro version as well, but then for me, start with the free theme, and once you start making money, you can buy a pro theme. So click on appearance, Astra options, and click on this. Okay, import a plugin, and then once that's done, select the page builder. So this is Elementor, it's a free page builder. Click on next. Okay, so they have free templates. So basically this is is a ready-made theme, so basically you don't have to edit anything. So let's say I want to install this one, or let's say I want to install this. So this is a theme, free theme. So I'm just gonna, so this is how the theme looks. Okay, so I'm just gonna import it right now. It will take 2 to 10 minutes depending on your internet speed, so I'm just gonna pause in for a while. So once this is done, guys, just you have to click on visit website, and this is how your website looks right now. It looks really beautiful. To edit it is really easy. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of it because I have a free bonus for you, so you have to wait. I have a free gift for you. So to edit it, you can just write Yavar Khan and save it. That's it. So I think so that's it for the video. The reason for that is, guys, I have a free gift for you. I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. I give you detailed instructions how to create the best website for you, for your business, and for your clients. The link is down below. Go and check it out. So this is it, very simple, don't complicate it. And for me as well, it's really simple. And in that free course you're going to learn everything. So it's a free course. Go and check it out right now, and see you in the next video.